Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. Welcome to Throwback Thursday. This is a little weekly series where I dig back in my stash and we make something fresh and new together. Today I'm working with Fancy Pants Designs Honey and Bee. This came out earlier, kind of at the end of winter, and I love bees, so I had to snag this collection. It is so pretty. I've used it on a couple of other projects, and I'm combining this with Annette Green's Everyday Essentials, and I used her stemmed flowers, and I used her playful flowers for this. And I might use the bee. I maybe did the bee. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I feel about the bee yet. I'm still working on the bee. So to begin with, I created a 7x5 side fold trifold. And this is really simple. You just cut two 8.5 by 5 inch panels of this pink cardstock, score at 7, put one flap over the other flap, and join them together. You've seen me do this a million times. And then this is a little extra flap that I cut and just scored in and put underneath my designer paper to make this fun little trifold design. So over here we have a little tuck spot with room to write a little note, and this cute little bee yourself, and then a pocket with lemon and ginger herb tea. These are some of Annette's stemmed flowers. This is her large doily. I forgot I used that, but yes, this is her large doily, and I've combined it with some stickers from the collection just to create a little scene. This pocket holds wildflower seeds and a honey stick. So fun things inside. First thing we're going to do is make our cover. And for this, I have cut a 6 7/8 by 4 7/8 inch panel of this green cardstock to kind of pick up on some of the sagey greens that are in this collection. And then of this pretty pink and bee paper, I've cut a 6.5 by 4.5 panel and stitched those together on my sewing machine. Next, I put together this little belly band. This is the same width as the panel below it, and I stitched it onto another panel of green. So we're gonna glue this down. Right across the middle. Then I die cut some of the honeycomb that comes with the bee set. And I thought it would be fun to tuck little pieces of this back behind this panel, just to add that extra little bee emphasis. So I'm just going to put a couple of these down. I've cut them in half so that they fit in. And then I have one more to go right here. Just like this. And I cut these out of the soft white cardstock from Elizabeth Craft Designs, and I inked them up with fossilized amber distress ink. Next, I die cut these. These are also from the Everyday Crafting by Annette. These little pretty little lacy edges. And I die cut it twice, once from the pink and once from the green. And then I layered them over one another to create this shadow effect, which I think is so pretty. Then I used her postage stamp die to cut this pink panel. And then I used the frame insert for the postage stamp to cut out this panel of patterned paper. And I matted this on green and then put foam tape behind it. This cute image is from the paper collection. I'm going to put it right here. And then I want to bring in these pretty little stems. And I colored these with bundled sage and fossilized amber. And then I put a little Dry's Clear glue on them and put a little Flower Soft that I had in my stash on them. I'm actually going to break the bottom part of this stem off so that it will fit better over here. Okay. Then over here, I have some of her really pretty playful flowers. And I layered these with foam tape between and then just added a button in the center. And I'm going to put this one down here. I also have some foliage that I also die cut. And I'm just going to take these stems that I tore off, and I'm going to layer them in under this. And then I tied just with burlap string, keeping it kind of rustic and organic. Then I've got this Reneabouquets beehive. This is the tiny one, but it's perfect for what we want to do. Just like that. And I did make the bee, but I'm not going to use him on here because the card just isn't big enough, and I don't want to cover up my honey for sale, so I'll use him another time somewhere else because he's real cute. I'm just going to slip this in. This is one of the die cuts that comes with the paper collection. There we go, folks. That is it. Quick and easy today. I'll show you how we're going to put this on the cover. I brought in my cover, and I've got some old gold taffeta ribbon. I've got some 1/2-inch score tape. Cover on. Look how sweet this is. That's a really lovely little gift, and you could add other things into the pockets. You could write things on tags and stick them in pockets. You could put a gift card in the pocket, but it just makes a really sweet little gift. Little finishing touch. These are mustard seeds from my kitchen. And I'm just going to sprinkle these over those glue dots. They're bouncy. I'll be picking those up for a while. Aren't you glad you're not here? That was not my best move ever. All right. Packing tape will pick those up quickly and easily. But there we go, guys, a sweet little bee-themed folio for summer made with Fancy Pants Honey and Bee, Reneabouquets Tiny Beehive, and Annette Green's Everyday Crafting Dies and Stamps. So thanks for joining me. Go get your craft on. Bye.